Donald Trump said, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do X, Y, Z, 1 to 50. Do you know what he's doing? He's doing everything he said he'd do. Now, the majority of Americans voted for him. So this is the puzzling thing.
Yeah.
What worries me most is where the lines are blurring between legality and otherwise. And if you look at that press conference recently with Elon Musk and his son, X, in the Oval Office, with Trump behind at the desk, and you just thought, what a picture, what an image. Yeah. Modi had been visiting from India, and what did Trump do? He met him, and Musk had a private audience with him as well. I mean, it is extraordinary, and we are only a few weeks into this man's presidency.
Yeah, and the speed of change is really.
Don't you find it compelling though? And equally, could you imagine how depressing it would be to be Ukrainian? And you see what they're saying, it's conceding, and appeasing. And
yeah.
It's grim. It's a whole new world order. But it's for 4 years, and it's actually less than 4 years, so we'll see where it goes.
Yeah. Patrick's Day might be slightly different this year.
Do you know what? I'm surprised Patrick's Day is going ahead. I'm surprised he didn't put the kibosh on that, because he doesn't. I don't think he really cares that much about the Irish situation. In fact, I think the only interest he has to hear is the big hitters, and he'd be sniffing around for taxes and so.
Apple and stuff.
I think there's trouble afoot there, but I'm glad it's happening.